Hi, today in front of me Infinix Zero Ultra, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, let's open notification panel shortcuts, and after that find somewhere here screen record icon. Just hold for a while this icon, and just to change the sound settings we should use the switchers. Now the device sounds and microphone sounds option, they are disabled, so this means that we'll should just record only the mood video. If you wanna, for example, use the sounds on your device just during the screen recording, you should click on the switcher. Also, we can use the microphone together with the sound system sounds, and just for example, if you want to comment something, so just you should activate the record microphone sound. We can also use these two options separately, so for example only the microphone sound or the device sounds. Also we can turn them off together. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.